Hi, I'm Sammy with Bar Under the Stairs, and today I'm going to show you how to make 2 blended margaritas. The first margarita is a peach strawberry margarita, and the second one is a creamy avocado margarita, and it's going to produce 2 drinks each. Grab a blender or a food processor. I have a food processor, I don't have a blender, so that's what I'll be using today. I'm going to take 2 ripe peaches that I chopped up, dump that on in, a handful of fresh strawberries with the tops cut off. So now I'm going to add 2 ounces of fresh squeezed lemon juice, and I'm going to add 1 ounce of Campari. There. Now I'm going to add a little sweetness here with some agave nectar, half an ounce. We're going to do 4 ounces of Cazadores Reposado tequila. I think that the slightly aged version is just going to go along a little more nicely with the flavors we have today. Woo! Brand new bottle. Alright, a couple pinches of salt. Just to help everything taste a little more like itself. I think it needs a little more agave. Another half ounce of agave nectar. So that's 1 ounce total now. It's very sticky business. I'm going to go ahead and strain it now into a tin to get out any pulp. It's probably going to take a minute. Okay, now that it's all strained and it's ready to pour. I'm going to grab 2 highball glasses and go ahead and add some ice. So add some ice. Alright, go ahead and pour. For a garnish, I'm going to take some mint sprigs, give it a slap, and then stick it right in the drink so you get that nice big nose of mint every time you go in for a sip. Add a straw. Okay, so we're just gonna let these chill and hang out to the side while we make the avocado margaritas. Avocado time! Cut that off. Alright, so we're gonna add a half of an avocado. a small handful of cilantro, 2 pinches of salt, a pinch of black ground pepper. If you wanted to make this a spicy avocado margarita, just add some cayenne pepper or cut up a jalapeno and add as much or as little as your palate can take. Now I'm going to add a 1.5 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. As always, I use Faya. It's my favorite Greek yogurt. No, this is not a sponsorship, but if they ever wanted to have a sponsor girl, I'd be their girl. You can cut that out, right?
Sure you can.
2 ounces of fresh squeezed lime juice. An 1.5 ounces of dry curacao, or whatever orange liqueur you prefer. Cointreau would be fine in this. Now we're gonna put 4 ounces of Blanco tequila. I'm using Cazadores today. And for a little sweetness, I got my agave nectar here. Trusty old agave nectar. Going to add 1/2 ounce. If you want it a little sweeter, you can always add more, but you can never add less. Now we're gonna put the lid on and give it a blend. I have a couple of mason jars here, so I'm gonna go ahead and fill those up with some ice. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and pour this on top of the ice. I'm not going to go ahead and strain it this time because I want the texture to stay the same. So to garnish, I'm just going to do a little touch of black pepper over the top, ground black pepper. And I'm going to stick in some cilantro sprigs, so you get that on the nose. I always slap my herbs before I put them in the drink to make them more fragrant and get their oils moving. Okay, I got my straws. Stick them in. Oops. I kind of just smushed the cilantro down, but that's okay. All right, so let's give these a taste. Let's do the peach strawberry mint one. Yummy. Get really strong peach flavors. It tastes like, excuse me, got some pepper in the air there. That's delicious. The Campari, I get a little bitterness from. I get really strong peach flavors, obviously, and the mint's just delightful and kind of enhances everything. It's excellent. Excellent, I say. It's good. You should try it. Okay. It'll make you drunkies real fast because I really don't even taste anything but peach and a little bitterness from the Campari. Excellent. Excellent. Alright, next one. Alright, so let's try the avocado margarita. Get a lot of pepper and cilantro on the nose, that's for sure. I hope it's chilled enough. Yeah, I think it is. It's condensating. It's kind of like, depending on the amount of cilantro you put in this, it kind of tastes like a guacamole margarita. It's really good though. It's creamy and it's smooth and it's savory because of the cilantro and the black pepper. It's like where guacamole meets margarita in a smoothie, but in a really good way. It's just a creamy, full-bodied from the Greek yogurt margarita smoothie. And the avocado kind of just adds some creamy, like fatty notes to it in a good way. Like it makes it much richer than it would have been if you put like an egg white in the margarita. So A+, B+. I love them both. Just in case you're worried about me, I will not be drinking all 4 of these by myself. Alex, behind the camera, will be drinking 2 of these. I hope. I don't want to get drunk.
I'll help.
Okay. And if you wanted to make more than 2, if you have some friends, then congratulations. Good for you, man. You should just double the recipe and then you'll have 4 cocktails. It really just depends on how much you need. But anyway, if you like this video, please watch our other videos and please comment and make suggestions for what kind of stuff you want to see being made on our channel. And you know, we're here to please and we're here to have fun and make some good drinks. So subscribe and tell us what you like. Bye. Bye-bye.